This video is for online assignment 3. There are 3 parts to this assignment. Part 1, students are to read the first part of the STEM investigation assignment. Part 2, read the teamwork PowerPoint. Part 3, follow the directions on investigating an invention using the website thoughtco.com and complete the questions and timeline portion of the assignment. The timeline must have at least 5 dates on it. You're going to want to download this Google document, which it will look like this. You have your project A3 STEM investigation. You have your teamwork PowerPoint, answer your questions, and here's the information about thoughtco.com. We'll get back to that in a minute. You'll then go to your STEM page. You are going to read the highlighted version there. You'll come down. Your teamwork PowerPoint is right here. Then you'll come down and you're going to look at the STEM investigation questions. Okay. And then while you're going to look at those questions, that's when you go to thoughtco.com and you're going to click on Humanities, then History and Culture, Inventions, Famous Inventions, and pick an artifact. So there is thoughtco.com. Go down to Humanities and click. Once it loads, you'll come down to History and Culture. Down to Inventions. Down to Famous Inventions. And then when you scroll down, you'll see that there are different inventions that you can do your investigation on. If there's nothing there you don't like, you go down, click More. There are plenty to choose from. Please make sure they are a school-appropriate topic. Once you get done with that, you'll go back to looking at your Google document. There are your questions, and then your timeline is going to be starting with the invention date and ending with 2020. You can mark any changes or innovations throughout time. Example, it was invented, it was changed or innovated, changed or innovated. All right, and then up to 2020. Once again, if you have any other questions or need any help, just shoot me a comment or send me an email. Have a good day.